everybody, this is MC from Not Just Scrapbooks, and I am again showing you another one of my mini albums slash junk journals. This one is a hybrid for sure, and I'm really proud of this one because I set out to use papers that I would have found on Etsy, and after a while I realized that I wasn't really finding what I honestly wanted to. So some of the ideas are from some of the people, and so I bought clip art, and I decided to create my own journal and my own pages. So I'm pretty proud of this one, and I hope eventually to make it available via digital. I just don't know where yet, whether I'm going to do Etsy or a website or from a blog, or it's in the process of being thought out. So with that said, let's take a quick look. And I'm going to have to make this a little bit smaller because this is a pretty big baby. It's not going in a suitcase like the last one I taped, which was the one going to France. So anyway, I did put at my friend's request, I got fancy and put a QR code on my book so somebody can email me if they want to. Eventually the website will be on the, but here we go. And I've got limited space, so this is going to be a little more tough. So don't mind me if things shift around and move. Anyway, I put a little mini book here for her to put additional pictures. Some of the pages have writing, and some are just 2 pictures like this. And you'll see that I use that through the book. And again, I created this in Photoshop Elements. And okay, so there are 4 parts to this book: awaiting your arrival, your first year, celebrating your firsts, and your family. So let's do these in order. So awaiting your arrival, we have welcome baby, and we've got all the information, including notes of something special mom or dad want to write, how we found out, how we told everyone. And again, I added all this clip art and created the pages, and I wanted it to be fairly easy. Like, you can either put a 4x6 here, or you can put 2 3x4s. Boy or girl, special moments in case something special happened that I'm not accounting for. Baby shower, the nursery, special moments again. That could be, you know, getting the bags ready and awaiting your arrival, which is meant to be maybe something like all the family or whoever's waiting in the waiting room for baby to show up. And this was a special order, so you'll see there's a name on it. Here we are at your first year, your big entrance. So that's the first picture they took of baby coming home. And there's more space for pictures here. 1 month old, 2 month old, and again, there's different clip arts on each page. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and your first birthday celebration. So there's actually like 2 pages for 12 months, sort of celebrating your firsts. First, there's the milestone moments, things like first bath, first trip, when you rolled over. Then we have a first Thanksgiving with a cute little tiger here in the bottom. First Christmas with a truck with some Christmas trees in it. First New Year, like welcome 2025, and I could change that eventually. First Valentine's Day, and I put Happy Valentine's in the balloon because Valentine's was harder to find in the color that blended in with this book. First Easter, first Mother's Day, first Father's Day, first 4th of July. I love that whole clip art, it's so cute. And first Halloween. And there's supposed to be something here, but anyway, I will fix that later. Your family. And in this case, well, we knew the kids' names, so, and then we've got maternal and paternal, and my mother, my father, my maternal grandfather, grandmother, paternal grandfather, paternal grandmother, mom's siblings, dad's siblings, my cousins, great aunts and uncles, and then again there's more space for special moments, and she really could put more pictures here. And again, I've got this little book back here at the back with more pictures, so she could put a note and say see book in back or see book in front, or she could, or he, I mean, I'm not going to discriminate if mom or dad's going to do this. They could use either book to send back to a grandmother or grandfather, or you know, or both grandparents, sets of grandparents. And again, here's the back. And well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this quick flip through. And if you have any questions or comments, I would appreciate them. And thanks for watching. Have a great day. See you soon. Bye.